Hey guys, what's happening? How to create perfect AI avatars for social media fast. So go ahead to your browser and just type create perfect AI avatar for free. And you're gonna see, of course, that Canva, right? You can go ahead and start creating an avatar by clicking create avatar, right? From official website of Canva. And they will ask you like, what do you want to include in this avatar, basically, right? So it might take a couple or few minutes to see, or you can select from your template right here to basically generate avatar for your brand. Okay, and you can select any avatar for that matter, right? Let's have an example, uh, this one, and I'm gonna name it my channel, whatever that might be, right? Amar Adam. Okay, and as you can see right here, this is my AI avatar. If you want to share it, you can click the sharing button at the top or upload it to share it to social media. Right, you can also invite people to your workshop. In my case, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit download, right, and download it as a PNG, and then of course add it as an avatar for your social media. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.